Hello everyone, this is Jay Listings here with 2023 Transcendence Case Breaks. This is our first case break this year. So this year they did a redo of everything. So we have different type of product in here. We have 190 of these this year instead of the normal 50 to 100. So this year we have another ticket. So we have the ticket for the event. This year they did a little thing different. So there's 190 tickets. However, I think they said nine of those tickets are VIP tickets. So they're a little bit different. I don't know how they're different, but let's see if we have a let's see. So this is just the regular gold tier. It does say the event takes place in Baltimore, Maryland. So at least we know where it's going to be. Just don't know when at this point. Let's go ahead and get this open. So this year looks like we got gold cases, and this case is number 41 of 90. Number 41 of 90. So let's see. So we got one sealed box here, another sealed box here, and we have 10 silver packs. And then this is the empty case there. So first we'll start with the rookie set, which is in the top load box here. Okay, so first off, Adley Rutschman, rookie, auto. That's numbered to 20. So Adley's numbered to 20. Perez, that's numbered to 20 as well. Okay, Alvarez, numbered to 20. So these are numbered either to 20. See, I think we have another different one here. So this one is numbered to 5, Marino. There's 1 of 1s, and I think there's out of 15. So Outman, out of 20. Walker, and that's out of 10. So you got out of 10, out of 20, out of 5, and out of 1. This is Jung, out of 20. So I think we're supposed to get at least 1 of the 1 of 1s. Here's Green, out of 10. So there's 10 of these autographs in each case. Oh, here's a patch one, Morel, 8 of 10. And the last one is the 1 of 1 Henderson. It's a nice looking patch there. So that's the rookie part of it. I think the Gunner's a nice one there. So then we have this one, which is supposed to be 20 gold frame autos, and then 10 of those, or sorry, 20 gold frame autos and 10 patch autos. These, I think, are numbered the same. So Aaron Judge. We have Aaron Judge, numbered 5 of 5. Beltry, out of 20. Pujols, out of 10. So in previous years, they had a horizontal and a vertical version of these, but they also had 50 of them instead of 20 of them in a case. So they may have done away with the alternative imaging. Bo Jackson, out of 10. Corbin Carroll, 1 of 1 rookie auto. That's a nice card. Martinez, out of 20. Matsui, out of 20. So again, these, I think you're supposed to get a 1 of 1, which Pena is out of 5. I've seen some with 2 1 of 1 so far this year. I know in the prior years we also got some multiple 1 of 1s. Soto, out of 10. I remember there were some that only had 1 1 of 1, Some had 2 1-of-1s. Chris Bryant out of 10. So these are out of 1 out of 1, out of 5, or out of 10. And this one, oh, got 2 of them here. Now I did see a redemption on Luis Robert. Let's see if this is Luis Robert. No, Larry Walker. Patch autograph variation platinum parallel. Larry Walker. I think the platinum maybe is a 1-of-1, at least previous years. Scherzer out of 10. Or sorry, out of 20. Piazza out of 20. Like I said, there's 20 of these autos. We're getting close to the end of them. Mike Trout out of 20. It's a nice looking card. Usually the Trouts are pretty nice. I like them. Let's see. Nolan Ryan. Well, this is a little different than the previous years. Before they were alphabetical order. So like, I mean, I guess maybe it's alphabetical order by first name. Let's see. Nolan. So who's this? Colas out of 20. The rookie auto. So these autos are gold framed. The previous ones, the rookie ones, were not gold framed. Okay, Randy Johnson. So far, it looks like we are going in alphabetical order of first name. And then here we go, Rod Carew. That one's out of 10. So we're getting close to the last of these. Guerrero out of 5, junior. I think we got one more maybe. And this is Wade Boggs out of 20. So that is the gold frame autos. Now, these are the patch autos. Wait, one more. Jordan Alvarez out of 20. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think they misdid it, I think. Let's see. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The Corbin Carroll makes 10. Got 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh, wait. The Larry Walker is a patch. So this is a patch. Okay. So we got 20. Now let's see what else we got. We got 21. Bregman, patch auto. These are the 15. Is the base, I think. This is the Bryce Harper to 10. That's a nice looking patch there. Burns to 15. Ortiz to 15. There's another redemption. Fernando Tatis, patch auto. So 2 of our patches have been redemptions. Devers out of 10. Sandberg out of 5. It's a nice looking patch. So we got 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. Out of 10, Tony Perez. So this is number 9 of our patches. We got one more patch here. This is Grissom out of 10. Grissom out of 10. Okay. So that's all of those. Now, this is our superfractor. It's a 1 of 1. Beltry. Okay. This should be the Through the Years. And it's Ishiro, 2000 free agent. It's a 1 of 1 auto. Okay. So this is the booklet. Okay. Oh man, it's a nice one. 1 of 1 Willie Stargell. Cut auto bat barrel. It's a nice one. And then this is our cut. Now this is different from previous years. These are now smaller in size. King George III. King George III. That's a nice cut right there. King George III. So this is, and then there's the 10 of these packs, which I'm not going to open right now. That's the first case. Stay tuned for case number 2. If you see anything you like, check us out on eBay, JL Listings.